Battles over abortion shifted to state courts after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned the constitutional right to the procedure nationwide, as judges blocked statewide bans sued seeking similar relief. States with trigger laws designed to ban or severely restrict abortions once the Supreme Court overturned the landmark 1973 ruling that recognized a right to the procedure, as it did on Friday. Republican Louisiana Attorney General Jeff Landry said his office was fully prepared to defend these laws in our state courts, just as we have in our federal courts. Republican Utah Attorney General Sean Reyes did not respond to requests for comment. The rulings came as a flurry of lawsuits were filed nationally challenging Republican-backed abortion laws under state constitutions after Friday's ruling by the conservative-dominated U.S. Supreme Court. Similar lawsuits were filed by abortion providers asking state courts to block enforcement of trigger bans in Kentucky and Mississippi.